Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace the air filter of the air conditioner in your car and save cash. First of all, I remove the existing air filters as follows. There are two clips on the sides that need to be turned a quarter turn and they release. This is the cover of the filter. It is held on both sides by clips, and you need to press from top and bottom at the same time to release the cover. Then simply pull out the filter. Next, I measure dimensions, because I didn't know if there are multiple types of filters, and for sure the new filter needs to be the same size as the old one. Then I search for the filter online. It's important to find one according to the car model and also according to the dimensions, because there may be differences in the size of the filter. I found the appropriate model for $8.6 and I ordered the air filter. Unfortunately, I received it slightly damaged and torn, so I contacted the seller and they sent me a proper one. I checked it and saw that the filters were the same size, and all that was left to do was to insert a new filter in its place and close it.